Uh-oh. I'm back on the horse. Welcome back. Another KC Tools tool haul. Depending on when this goes out, you'll see it before or after I do my hitch install chat video, hitch install video, wiring install video. I put a hitch on my minivan for a trip we're going on here, and you don't need to see that. Had some issues, so I did it. Got a quote from the dealer. They said like $550. I'm like, screw you guys, I can order it online and get it myself. Had some issues doing some stuff because I didn't have all the tools I needed. But hey, you know what? I saved myself about $400. So I'll order some tools that I need. So I got, not a big one, not a big box, but got some goodies, some neat stuff in here. Okay, so obviously, am I getting a delivery? I don't know. Anyway, so I put on here, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, here we go. Notes from customer. As we all know, stickers add horsepower, so the more the merrier. Thanks. Open the box, first thing I'm seeing here. KC Tools. Oh man, did they deliver. Look at this. KC Tools, Knipex, Wiha, Philo. Oh man, they're going right on the toolbox. I love it. KC Tools, you guys kick ass, man. This is great. I really appreciate it. Did not expect this much good stuff, so awesome. Really happy about that. All right, and what do we got in here? That's a goodie. I'm going to show you guys that in a second here. This is also a goodie. You know what? I got to pause. The FedEx guy needs some help. 1 minute. Okay, he's good. So check it out. I got the Gedore adapter 3/8 inch 13 millimeter for 7R 7UR. The part number is 7RA-10. This is the 3/8, and this is the Gedore 7RA-63 adapter for 1/4 inch. Wait, in case you think I'm pulling your chain. So check it out. What this does, I thought this was really cool, and I didn't even know about it until I was looking through the Gedore catalog that KC sent me. So hey, KC Tools, when you send catalogs, I'm buying stuff. So what we got is, you take this guy and you drop it, and I even emailed him and asked about this. You drop it in a 10 mil ratcheting wrench, and now I've got I've got a ratchet in my wrench. Now, this is not a reversible ratcheting wrench, so this is only going to work one way. But I think this is so freaking cool. Especially for like tight areas where you can't get a very... I was in a tight area the other day on my minivan where you can't get a very large ratchet in there. I couldn't get a full-size ratchet in the panel behind to get a screw off. I was able to get this in, but the angle was a little weird. Anyway, so I mean, look at that. I got a 1/4 inch ratchet head that's that big, right? That ain't bad at all. And for reference, I even hit the guys up at KC Tools. I said, hey, it says it's designed for the 7R or 7UR Gedore handles. Is there something weird that makes it only usable for those handles? And they're like, no, it should fit in any ratcheting wrench. These are cobalt wrenches, so that's a 10 mil, which makes it a 1/4 inch wrench. And then I'll put that away later. I got the 13 mil that will make it a 3/8 inch. Right, and it just snaps. I like that it snaps in. It's got the ball detent, which is pretty freaking nice. Man, that is so cool. I am definitely digging this. It's gonna go right in the wrench drawer. Awesome. obviously the bit of thanks. The other thing that I needed for the dilly bopper, the hitch install, was I was doing some thread chasing, and I just didn't have the stuff I needed to chase threads. So I went ahead and I picked up the sliding T-handles from Wera. I checked around, I checked Lowe's and everything before I even bought it, and Lowe's didn't really have much to offer me. So yeah, I'm gonna have to work out how to get this thing off. I don't know how to unhook this. Anyway, so now I got the sliding T-handle, so I can just do this instead of the hook a screwdriver and then turn the screwdriver, right? So I can go backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward to chase threads. So I think this is going to be a lot better. This is 8789B Zyklop Quergriff. That's the 3/8 inch, and I got the 1/4 inch as well. 8789A Zyklop Quergriff. So it's 8789A and B. I'd imagine C would be 1/2 inch. All right, so sure, maybe. And then finally, I got a pretty heavy duty. I'm really pleased with the heavy duty screwdriver I have. That is what is it? Wera, my Wera heavy duty screwdriver. But I wanted to try out the Wiha heavy duty screwdriver, and so this is the hex shank, hex bolster, Wiha microfinish 5533, 5.5 mil flathead with the hammer bolster, and it's nice. This is really nice, actually. It's a huge grip on a small tip on that. Make that what you will. I like that. This fits really good in the hand. I was impressed with my other Wiha driver, but that's really nice. I like that. Let me see. Do a little comparison real quick. And then I'm also just going to do this as well. So the other Wiha I have is this one. It's a Phillips #1. You can see the head is significant. The grip is significantly smaller. I like it. I like this though. This micro finish feels like even if I poured oil on there, I'd still be able to get a grip. It's pretty nice. Like the bolster. Happy with that. And size-wise, grip size-wise, it's about the same as my Wera, which I use this thing all the time. So, and then I wanted to do a quick, for you guys, check on the retention on this socket. Am I even doing this in frame? There we go. Check that out. This is a 3/4 inch socket on a 3/8 inch drive. That retention that's really good. I actually have to push in the button to get the socket on, which not always the case, but that's nice. I like that a lot. And then for completeness sake, the 1/4 inch, let's see here. I don't want to, there's like a retaining ring on these guys, and I'm not trying to mess anything up, but I feel like it should pop in pretty easy. Come on! And it's not always popping in easy. There we go. So that's a 1/4 inch socket. Man, that is nice. I like that. Cool. I dig it. There's my tool haul from KC Tools. Hey guys, KC Tools, can't thank them enough for sending out the stickers. I missed one? I did. I missed one. There's an NWS sticker in here. Oh man, they sent me one from everybody. Can't thank them enough. Hey, look, if you need some German tools, you need some quality tools, KC Tool, you know, check them out. I'll put a link. I'm not an affiliate. I like their stuff. I like dealing with them. Thanks a bunch, guys. I really appreciate it. Hey, if you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and like the video. If you like the way I present my stuff, I got some other Casey Tool Haul videos. Check those out. Subscribe to my channel if you want. Give me a comment, especially if you've used this a lot. I'm really curious how this is going to work out for me, especially with the striking, because I got a feeling I'm going to have some rusty screws coming up that are going to feel the wrath of this bad guy. And so a little tappy tap tap. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Luke. I'm an amateur. This one didn't take an hour. Have a good day.